Hi, my name is Kaitlyn Holt. I'm currently a mechanical engineering major in the class of 2020 at Rensselaer. As a senior in college, I'm facing many of the same challenges as most of you, being seniors in high school. Whether we're missing out on the last few months with friends, or wondering if this will all be over before graduation. I know how much of an impact Accepted Students Day had on my decision to choose Rensselaer, so I hope some of the stories about how RPI became my home over the past 4 years can help highlight parts of the Rensselaer experience. So let's go back to high school. I knew I wanted to design and build things. And eventually I was able to figure out that meant going into engineering. I did all of the college research, tours, applications, and then RPI's Accepted Students Day came along. On this visit, I met so many incredible people and had such a wonderful time that I left with RPI already starting to feel like home. Fast forward to college freshman Kaitlyn. I was really enjoying the experience and independence of living on my own. Within my residence hall, I had formed a great friend group. Our thing was board games. We played everything from Coup to Betrayal at the House on the Hill. And to this day, I still have board game nights with these friends. My first semester, I took a class called Engineering Processes. This is a fully hands-on course where you get to use lathes and mills to make a mini cannon or train. This class is what sent me on the path to manufacturing. Between awesome friends and very intriguing classes, I was hooked on RPI for my first semester, and I knew that there was nowhere else I'd rather be. The summer after freshman year, I decided to be a student orientation advisor. SO advisors are the first people incoming freshmen meet when they come to the summer orientation. This job is where I was able to meet my best friend, and it also opened doors to many leadership opportunities in my future at RPI. I think a big part of college is finding a good balance of extracurriculars and courses. During my time at Rensselaer, I was involved in many things. I was a founding member of The Forge, which is a fully student-run makerspace on campus. Sophomore year, I spent a semester as an I-Persist calculus mentor. This is a program where all first-year Calc 1 students meet in groups of 8 to 10 with a mentor to go over practice problems and help strengthen their connection with fellow students. And then junior year, I became an RA. This is a resident assistant, which is an upper-class student who lives in the residence halls, but is there to help with various issues. They help out with social issues such as roommate conflicts or offering advice of who to go see for a specific problem. They also handle technical issues such as lockouts or contacting facilities for maintenance concerns. I've been an RA for 2 years now, and I found it to be one of the most rewarding experiences in my time. Another leadership role I've taken during my time at Rensselaer is being a peer mentor for the School of Engineering Advising Hub. This is a work study position that lets me work with freshman students and offer advice based upon my experience. The hub is also run by 5 incredible ladies who are the academic advisors to all freshman engineering students. The past 4 years, they've truly become my 5 other moms. Working there has been a huge part of why RPI feels like home to me. Currently, I'm the president of RPI Curling. This is a club sport team that competes regionally. In the past 2 years, I was able to be part of the club's nationals team, which meant I got to travel and compete to represent RPI against the top 16 colleges in the nation. Curling is just an awesome sport, and I'm so thankful that I was able to be a part of the college curling circuit, and I will continue to curl after RPI, that's for sure. I said earlier balance is key, so it's important to think about the fact that while I was doing all these activities, I was still a student first. So I'd like to wrap up by telling you about my favorite classes. The first is called Introduction to Engineering Design, or IED. In IED, you're put into a group of different engineering majors and tasked to solve a problem. My group decided to solve an issue of owning an exotic pet and being able to take care of it if you go away on vacation. Our project was called CareTop. It was a terrarium lid that could water, feed, humidify, and give temperature readings through a website. My group was incredible, and we're still friends 2 years later. The next class is called Manufacturing Processes and Systems Lab, or MPS for short. This is a 2-semester course where teams are challenged to design a product and go through various design for manufacturing or assembly processes. They then have to prototype, and if their team's picked, they have to produce 400 of their product. MPS teaches all of the required hands-on experience as well, from using a CNC machine to plastic injection molding. This course really brings your education full circle. You'll use the stuff that you learned in a theory class you thought you'd never use again, and you'll use CAD to actually make a part and not just to see the 3D model of it. In my opinion, this is hands down the best class taught at RPI. Hopefully this look into my 4 years at Rensselaer has shown you some of the things you didn't know you could do at RPI. Overall, college is really what you make of it, and I wish you luck in your college decisions and future.